Got beans in your garden? Then you need to know how to keep pests and diseases at bay. Let's dive in. First up, the pests. Aphids, bean beetles, and caterpillars love to munch on your beans. Aphids are those tiny bugs clustering on leaves and stems. Bean beetles? They chew holes in leaves and pods. And caterpillars? Well, they can be quite the menace. For a quick fix, try blasting them with a strong jet of water, or go organic with neem oil or insecticidal soap. Now let's talk diseases. Powdery mildew is easy to spot with its white powdery spots on leaves. It can weaken your plants over time. So make sure there's good airflow and water your plants at the base. Then there's root rot, often because of overwatering or poorly drained soil. Plant your beans in well-draining soil to avoid this. And don't forget rust, those reddish-brown spots on leaves. Remove any infected leaves to stop it from spreading. Want to be extra cautious? Practice crop rotation every year and clean up plant debris at the end of the season. These simple steps can make a world of difference in keeping your beans healthy. So, there you have it. A few proactive steps and some organic solutions can keep your beans thriving. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy growing!